In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your plantain chips at home for sale or for eating. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. The one ingredient you need is unripe plantain. Make sure you peel your plantain out, then you go on and cut it this way. Be very careful when you are cutting it.
Looking through the junk drawer, searching, somewhere there's a lighter lurking.
After cutting, make sure you put everything in a bowl or a plate of your choice. Then rush to your tap, make sure you wash your plantain and return it back to the bowl or a plate and add enough of water.
Is it from my house when I was growing up and you were always showing up?
So you go on and add your salt. Make sure you don't add too much salt. The quantity of the salt you add depends on how many plantain you are going to use or you use. Alright, so I'm going to leave it to let it sit for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, I'll come back and take my plantain. I'll filter all the water out. Then I'm going to divide this plantain into two. Yeah, I'm going to put pepper, which is spicy, in one. Then I'm not going to put spicy in other one. So I'm going to go on and add a little bit of pepper. This is my blended pepper. I'm going to go on and add a little bit to it. So I'm going to go on and shake it this way. You can use your spoon to mix everything together. So this is the one we didn't add anything to it. Alright, so this is my vegetable oil. Make sure you lower your gas. Let everything be cooking in a low heat.
Upon your cherry lips and I held your freezing hands. Our love was still so very new, but I knew that I would marry you. You've always been the key to open me. Was it our apartment by the bakers when you were pushing?
If you like spicy stuff like me, make sure you fry the one without spices first so that it won't affect it later. And don't try to lift or left your plantain when you are frying it. It might get burnt and you won't like it. Always stay with your plantain to lower the gas or to control your fire and make everything be in a very low heat. After using this way, pack everything aside as soon as possible. You can place your tissue paper in your plate before packing all your plantain chips.
Screws, expired Tic Tacs, and a key from long ago. Is it from my house when I was growing up and you?
So I'm going to go on and fry the one with spicy. Yeah, let me tell you guys something. If you want to go into business and thinking of business idea, this is one of the business ideas. Trust me, you're going to make a lot of money while doing this. So this is the outcome. Yeah, I'm going to go on and pack it as soon as possible because I don't want it to get burnt. And it was so crunchy. A troppo croccante. I'm speaking Italian for you guys. Alright guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like my video, let me know what you think in comment section. Yeah, and this is the outcome of our plantain chips. Like, I'm not going to be buying plantain chips anymore. I really don't know why I don't used to do this. It was because of our laziness. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye, stay well.
Looking through the junk drawer, searching, somewhere there's a lighter lurking to light my daughter's 14th birthday candles. I came across